It's travel day.
Have a beautiful day here in London.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Today we are going to a hair appointment, my Blue Rose premiere. Okay, I've made it back home and my hair is tied up just to keep it moisturized, so I can't really show you guys the finished product until I get to London. This just arrived. I'm using this as a purse to complete my look for the Blue Rose premiere. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'll find out when I try everything on together. If it doesn't work, I'll return it. I'm really into method dressing. When you see the Blue Rose, you'll understand. It's travel day. Happy Tuesday. Yay! Now I'm gonna take off these guys that have been on here 3 days almost. I just wanna see it. See what we got going on. All my stuff packed. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. Sorry, LAX Terminal 3, please. Y'all, we are about to take a shuttle to another terminal. I just got done with the lounge. We're about to go to London. Woo! I have these cool little slipper thingies that I'll probably put on, and an amenity kit.
We're ready to close the boarding door. stay seated with your seatbelts fastened. Have a beautiful day here in London.
We're actually coming over for the film fest over here.
Yeah, it's called Fright Fest.